Tommy, we're talking roofing materials today, and you have installed your share of roofs over the years.
Far too many to count, guys.
And most of them were probably with asphalt shingles, the most common roofing material.
Most common roofing material, and actually 3-tab asphalt shingles were very common. And now they have what is called architectural shingles, which instead of having 3 individual tabs, you now have a shingle that's built up without any slots. And they also have these in different thicknesses or different grades.
And so this is a cost-effective roof, which is one of the reasons why it's most popular. You can get what in terms of lifespan out of it? 10 years, 15 years?
You can get 20 years, 15, 20 years easily. Some of them are saying 25 on the basic shingle.
Right, and then you can upgrade to a higher grade shingle and buy a longer warranty?
Up to 50 years. Again, that's the thickness of the shingle, so it's going to cost more money for the shingle. It's going to cost a little more money for labor because it's a heavier material.
All right. The other type of shingle roof that we see a lot around here in New England is a wooden shingle. Cedar is a common material.
It's been used for many, many years, and when done correct, you can get a lot of life out of it. A wood roof basically is installed. It has to get wet. When it gets wet, it swells, and that's what makes it watertight. But first, the shingle has to get wet.
Right, but it also has to dry out. Otherwise, we're going to get rot, we're going to get mold, mildew, and that drying process is critical for the installation.
Very critical. That's why the old Yankees would put it on what is called skip sheathing, where there were wide gaps between the boards to get plenty of air underneath it. But today, they're not doing skip sheathing. You're doing plywood. The shingles can't lay on the plywood. They can't lay on the felt paper. So now they have venting materials that come in rolls and basically lifts the shingles off of the substrate, allowing them to dry underneath.
In terms of cost, you could be paying twice or more for a wood roof than asphalt, right?
I would say most cases a lot more than double.
And then in terms of lifespan, how long can you get out of a good wood roof?
When done right, and depending on the location of the roof, trees, no trees, high wind area, you could get 50 years out of it.
Nice, that's cool. Metal roofs is another material, one of my favorites. It's kind of bulletproof. I mean, it is just this one big, long, continuous sheet of metal. Well, I mean, it's actually got seams, but everything's connected.
Well, the seams are running up the roof
vertically,
as opposed to horizontally.
Which is great, because if the wind starts blowing, you know, even a well-installed asphalt or wooden shingle, you still have the opportunity for wind to drive water up underneath.
Right.
With a metal roof, it's just continuous all the way.
It's continuous all the way. Less chance of that roof leaking under windy conditions and any conditions. In New England, we get a lot of snow, so the snow can slide right off the roof. In some cases, you have to big barriers to stop it from sliding in entryways because you don't want to get hit with it.
And several different choices of material as well.
Steel, to galvanized, to galvalume, to copper, lead-coated copper. It can go on and on.
Way more expensive than an asphalt roof.
Depending on the material, it could be 5 times more.
And in terms of durability, though,
You can get 100 years out of it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And then the other type of roof to talk about are tile roofs, clay tiles, or up here we see a lot of slate roofs. They look beautiful.
Right. That's a beautiful roof, and it will last a long time. The problem is you have to build for the added weight of that roof.
Those are heavy materials.
Right. So if you have a shallow roof as opposed to a steep pitch roof, the structure has to be different to accommodate that weight.
Gotcha. All right. Well, good overview, Tommy. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.